Oh, hello. I'm Elaine, and by now, I'm sure you've heard the buzz about Evaco Cast non-stick ceramic cookware. But you might be wondering, what makes it so good? What are the benefits? What are some of the limitations? Well, it's cast aluminum. The inside of the pan is one solid piece of aluminum that Evaco says is very resistant to warping. There's no PTFE or any similar chemicals, and the surface is ceramic. It essentially works as a glass surface. It's super smooth. It's very easy to clean, which we'll get to. It's super convenient. As long as you don't crank the heat, food is not really gonna stick too much. And when it does, as I said, it's easy to clean. And once again, we'll get there. There we go, it's easy to clean. All you really need is a little bit of dish soap and a nylon brush. Clean it right after cooking, that's fine. And now we're gonna get to some of the limitations. And the main one is no metal tools. Do not use metal tools. You're gonna scratch the pan, you're gonna ruin it for everyone. Also, there are alternatives. You can use wood, you can use bamboo, you can use silicone, all types of tools that you can use that aren't gonna scratch the pan. Surprise, I'm in Portland now. The pans are made in South Korea. Compared to competitors, you can perhaps, on other ones like particularly Green Pan, you can maybe use metal tools. They advertise that you can, but you can't do that on Evaco. And they're a little bit more affordable than some other options, like Made In, like the 8-inch frying pan from Evaco is $74.99. They're more affordable. And just a little note, the plastic handle means that they cannot go in the oven. Just something to consider. The ideal customer, probably someone who wants the convenience of nonstick, who maybe doesn't want to care for a cast iron or a carbon steel pan. And eventually, you might find a carbon film forming on the pan. It'll build up, and when it does, it can seem difficult to clean, but there are some easy ways. Evaco recommends Wyman glass top cleaner, or you can use Barkeeper's Friend. This works very well, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.